This is Rjukan. A cute little town tucked in a valley beneath the Hardanger Plateau. Established in the early 1900s, Rjukan is famed for hydropower and the production of heavy water during World War II. In winter, sunlight doesn't reach the valley for several months. In 2013, the town installed sun mirrors. These mirrors reflect sunlight down to the town square, an impressive technological solution that attracts tourists from all over the world. A target for bombing raids and a sabotage mission during World War II, the heavy water factory at Vemork is rich with history and definitely worth a visit. The Krossebanen is the oldest and most original two-cable car in the Nordic region. It opened January 21st, 1928, allowing people to get sunlight at Vepsebod. Towering over Rjukan is Gaustatoppen, one of Norway's most iconic mountains. On clear days, you can see 1/6 of Norway from the summit. Whether you're interested in history, nature, or technology, Rjukan has something for everyone.